Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make yes or no questions in English. I made this lesson for beginners to pre-intermediate learners because I've noticed something really common. A lot of you can make positive sentences just fine, but when it comes to turning them into questions, the grammar gets messy or the sentences just sound wrong. And honestly, that's totally normal. English questions follow a different pattern than statements. So if you don't know the rules, it's easy to make mistakes. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna break it all down for you step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make yes or no questions correctly, and you'll be able to use them confidently in real conversations. Yes or no questions in English follow very simple patterns, but the pattern changes depending on the verb you use. So I'm going to show you the 4 main patterns that cover almost every situation. If your sentence uses am, is, or are, the good news is you don't need do or does. You just move the verb be to the beginning. She is happy. Is she happy? They are ready. Are they ready? I am late. Am I late? That's it. For be-verbs, just switch the position. Verb first, subject second. Now, in case you're wondering when we use am, is, and are, here are the common patterns. Be-verbs are usually followed by a noun. She is a doctor. An adjective. They are happy. A prepositional phrase. The keys are on the table. A verb in the ing form or present continuous. He is studying. A past participle. The cake was made by my mom. If your sentence uses an action verb like, eat, live, study, play, etc., you need do or does at the beginning. Use do for I, you, we, they, or plural subjects. Use does for he, she, it, or singular subjects. For example, they like pizza. Do they like pizza? She plays tennis. Does she play tennis? This is very important. In questions, the main verb goes back to its base form. Not does she plays. That's wrong. Okay? Does she play? This is one of the most common grammar mistakes, so watch that verb. If your sentence is in the past, use did for all subjects. He visited Japan. Did he visit Japan? They watched a movie. Did they watch a movie? Again, same rule. Use the base form of the main verb. Not did he visited? Wrong. Did he visit? So remember, past tense goes to did and the main verb becomes simple. Now, if you're talking about having something, like owning something, you don't need do or does. For example, she has a car. Does she have a car? So for possession, we usually follow the do, does rule. You have time. Do you have time? Now, if your sentence has a modal verb, forming a question is really easy. It works just like with be-verbs. All you do is move the modal to the front of the sentence. No other changes are needed. Example, she can swim. Can she swim? I should study. Should I study? No change to the main verb. The modal does all the work. Next, if your sentence uses have or has for present perfect, just switch them. For example, she has finished her homework. Has she finished her homework? They have seen that movie. Have they seen that movie? Don't add do or does. Present perfect already has its own helper. And finally, let's look at short answers. When you answer a yes or no question, your answer needs to use the same helper verb from the question. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Or just simply say I am. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Did he call you? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Can she drive? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Has he finished? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. So match the helper verb. Don't invent new ones. Okay? All right, that's it for today's lesson on yes or no questions. Now you know how to correctly formulate questions with be verbs, action verbs, past tense, modals, present perfect, and even short answers. The most important thing is to follow the patterns we practiced so you can ask questions confidently and correctly in real conversations. If you practice these patterns regularly, forming questions will start to feel natural and your speaking will improve a lot. And if you found this lesson helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. And try writing or saying a yes or no question in the comments below. I'd love to see your examples. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.